on LBC. I put on LBC. Yeah, I put on LBC. Over LBC. I put on LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon gods on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's the way we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. Thank you all for joining me. I do greatly appreciate it. How you doing? How you been? I'm doing fantastic. I've been surviving this heat. Man, 113 degree heat index today. It was fun. Heat warning and all that good jazz. But I just want to say, how about that USA? How about that USA? How about that USA? What's going on? How you doing, everybody? Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a fantastic Thursday. It is June, or we're actually in July now, sir. It is July 2nd, 2026 at 10:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We've got Duality C in the house. What's going on, man? He's not of this world. An alien. Nobody wants to click. Nobody wants to click when they see all this stuff. And like, this guy's not serious. And I'm just like, it's America's birthday, yo. 250 years, a quarter millennia. The millennia is one year, right? Or 1,000 years? 1,000 years bound. So what's going on, Alan? How you doing? Thank you for being here, guys. We got a little bit of relief. We started the week off with, can we get some relief? And we're gonna finish it off with some relief. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at $61,525 and counting, up and down. Jesus say 77 to 77 to 77 to 76. That's it. We're not gonna give the third one. How you doing, Jesus saves? God bless. Thank you for being here. Good evening. Good evening. The Bitcoin long is still longing. We are still printing on that. I am way out of it though, 90% or so. What happened? Where's the trade position? No, there it is. Realized $34. Absolutely amazing. This says the position is up 71.55%. Pretty nice stop loss up to entry. Is that my entry? 59.4555. Yep. So stop loss at entry. We've already taken profit, about 90% out. Took profit here, here at this high, of course. And then for some reason, I took profit here. I don't know why. And then took profit up here. So still have still got a runner going. We'll see what it can produce. I also hit a Solana long. Too bad I can't show that. Where can I show? Why don't I know? Oh, order hit. Position history. Here we go. There's the Solana. Hello? Can you see it? 38 bucks, 37%. Not bad, not bad. So we are up on the week. Not a big account. But this is a good week. We've increased the account by like 9%. So that's cool. And that's starting the week with some rough losses. -7, -10, -2, -11, +1, +4, or -4, +37, +34. Up 9% on the week. Not too shabby. We're going to try and grow this account live. We are still in the Bitcoin long, of course. I accidentally closed the Solana long. I kind of say I took profit initially, took 50% off, and then I meant to take another 50%. But when I press confirm and I look down, the position was gone, and I was like, did I not move the slider over to 50%? I guess not. Oh well, it is what it is. Bitcoin needs to get above the point of control at 62,621, point of control of this range. And what up, player? What up, man? Got like a scab or something on the side of my nose. Yummy. Right now, bearishly back testing this order block, but we do have. I thought I locked you so you wouldn't move. But we do have a bullish engulfing candle here, so we could just blow right through this. It's 50-50 here on this order block, this 1 hour order block. And we did get a slight bearish divergence, but that looks like it's probably played out. I think Bitcoin might be about to get a push up to that 62,636 point of control. So we shall see on that if it can break above and get a continuation, then maybe we can talk about a correction, and we'll see from there. We'll go from there. Level by level. Let's see what it can do. Is it going to roll over, guys? I think so, but eventually, but not yet. We'll see. I think it's just a relief rally. That's just me. Come for the TA, stay for the scab picking. Yeah, I know, right? It's bugging me. I'm sorry. I think I had like something like a pimple or something there, and I picked it like a big old dummy. That's okay. Anyways, let's moving on. Let's go to the Solana long. Still not in this one, but still looking like it may play out. Right now it sits at $81.44. Looking for the golden pocket at 83.72 for the full TP on this trade, even though I already took out, but I did sell here, somewhere in here, or I did get out somewhere in here, unwillingly. I mean, I guess it's technically willing, but yeah, so a couple of nice Solana longs this week. Couple of nice Solana longs. Full TPs, no drawdown on this one. And yeah, so that one's tasty. And where money flow is still in the green, momentum is still above the 0 line. I can't do the glasses anymore. Momentum above the 0 line, true 7 back above the 0 line. We do have a bullish buy signal. Potential weakness showing up. So, and we are heading into the weekend. Only futures are open tomorrow, which means like an hour of trading for futures. But we know Bitcoin and crypto are 24/7, 365. So we know that we can trade them. The question is, should we? I say take the 3-day weekend and just chill, fam. What's the NASDAQ? What did it do today? Let's zoom out. Looks like it fell today while Bitcoin moved up. Wait. What is this? 2 p.m.? Why did the NASDAQ fall all the way back down to the point of control? Lunar. American toaster. Hola, American toaster. What happened to the French? But I'm glad you're American. How you doing, bro? Thank you for being here. Mad love and respect. NASDAQ continuing to correct. So is that what's going on? Equities correcting means Bitcoin can get a move to the upside. Is that what it means? Kind of like how when Bitcoin goes sideways, altcoins can get a move. Perhaps. What's our good old friend Russell 2000 looking like? Look how choppy this crap is. Sheesh. Is it distribution? Ooh. Are we going to get a drop here? We did create a fair value gap. Come up here, push down into fair value gap. It might roll over. This might give us a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But ultimately, it's channeling so they can push higher. Maybe. That or it breaks down, back test, roll over. That's what that looks like it could be to me. Right now, it's holding this support up. But if it loses it, we'll come down to this support. And yeah, I mean, we're at least going to correct here, I believe. I mean, this thing's obviously correcting. But the money flow is coming down. Not coming out just yet. RSI below the 50, momentum below the 0. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Indie Rock Crypto. What's going on, bro? Thank you for being here. So we'll see on that. You guys got anything you want me to look at? Update the app. Oh, I can't do that right now. Ow. That hurt my ear. Bum, 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 bum. Where is everybody? I'm glad you guys are here. But where's everybody? I figured out what happened the other night, why so many people just fell off. I think it was because Crypto Face went live. It's kind of how that goes. He's a popular guy. After the stream, we'll have a dance party. Happy 250th anniversary of life, USA. Yes. I effing love it, Toaster. Lunar knighted me a few weeks ago. Amazing. You know what? I might need a knight Indie Rock Crypto because this dude's been showing up a lot lately. And I need people that show up to be mods. I appreciate that, Jesus Saves. I call CF the architect. Duality C's here every night too. Maybe I need to get some new mods. Huh. I don't have like a special song or anything. Does that matter? Trying to find something. Mod IRC. F it. No special song, but thank you, Indie Rock Crypto, for always being amazing, energetic, just loving, caring, but kind and spreading all the kind words and all that stuff. Thank you for being eccentric. Being you. You have been modded. Woo! I need a name for the Wave Rider mods. Are they the moon? They're the moon mods? Moon mods. Duality C. Thank you for being amazing, showing up every single night, being here for the grind, being awesome, and being not of this world. Mad love. Welcome to the tsunami. Moon Riders. IRC and I are now Team Blue. Well, there you go. Congratulations, Duality C and Indie Rock Crypto. Couple new mods in the chat. I do like the blue on you. Let's see. Erythrium did get a breakout on the 4-hour. And right now it is at resistance. So we'll see what it can do. This is a... oh man, these candles can be... You know, I would consider very much... this one's kind of tough. See if ETH gets a push here. Push here. Bear div, and then I would look for it to come down. I would short it. Yeah, look at that midpoint of that Go back down to the 15. So you got this level here, right there at the value area low. So I'd be keen to watch that level. Alexandra G. The mod queen, the mod boss, the mod god. Thank you for being here, and thank you for putting that Discord link in the chat. I completely forgot about that. Amazing. Appreciate you, Alexander G, as always. Oh snap, thank you, sir. Yeah, Duality, appreciate you. The ultimate dopamine smash. Again, I'm not getting a mad love. Mad love, Jesus saves. What are you talking about? I'm about to start deleting all of these comments and power tripping. I will get rid of you, or I will get rid of your moderationness. Your authority. I'll get rid of your authority real quick. Alexander G, I've been missing you so much, my friend. Oh, Jesus saves. Come on, give me the Batman. Yeah, I'll look for this on ETH. Hold on, wait, go back. Okay, that money flows is coming down a little bit. This is looking pretty, strong, at least for one more move. We do have the double VWAP over bot signals coming in here, so, and the volume matrix bearish as the true 7 is testing that 0 line. I think all of this supports that one more move to the upside and then a rollover. But if Bitcoin also breaks its high, comes up here, smacks that point of control, then I would look for push down on it as well. Back test that 60K zone, lose that, and we're coming back down here around 59 to 59. 445. This high over here. That's what I'm looking at. But that would not give us an SMT divergence, which I think would make me feel a little bit better. I think we come back down, which would be good. I want to see us to kind of build out a bottom in here instead of getting a little bit too, I mean, it really doesn't matter either way. Just got to be careful if this does get a continuation here. If we do get a back test like this, and then we just get a continuation to sweep that high, that's kind of what I'm looking for. But if we can get a 5-wave impulse in here, then maybe we can 5-wave impulse out, and the bottom just might be in potentially. But I would expect a long, drawn-out ABC correction for your wave 2. That's August right there. Just kind of bottom build in here. Some kind of bottom build. We don't have to go to October either. No. It's just what's most likely to happen based on historical price action. We did get a 1, 2. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Don't know if that touched this high or not. Fiat to freedom. Nope, they don't touch. Wait, I wasn't looking at this. That's these. Yes. Change. Fiat to freedom. So yeah, it's very ugly, kind of choppy, but we are seeing, you know, a push, a correction, a push, a correction, a push, and a correction. So it's not terrible because we're not getting, well, yeah, overlapping waves. We did get some here, but that still pushed us higher. It's just, it's gonna be a slow grind, guys. I think boredom is what shakes the last of the weak hands out. It's just absolute boredom, sideways price action, and I think that's what we are working on. I think we are seeing that sideways, boring price action. Do we get one more flush? Is my main question, or do we hold the lows and just continue to bottom build in here? We'll see. But over here on the 4-hour chart, money flow was coming up, but it's getting got rejected right now, or today, from that zero line. Oh, excuse me. Oh, by the way, that red card was bogus. Absolutely bogus. And all of the Euros talking smack on, no, that's a red card. It's in the rule book. The rules say the referee can't go and look at slow-mo or super slow replay for that type of play. And guess what? Because it wasn't called on the field. It went to the VAR and watched it in slow motion instead of watching it in real time. That'd be great. Holy crap. Bro. Could we peek at Sol Macro? Toaster. French American. I'm so confused now. American toaster with the $100 dono. Thanks, bro. I don't know, just throw me off, man. Man. Was it another good trade day? I appreciate that, bro. I don't even know if I can move on. That's it's amazing. I gotta figure out how to get my YouTube connected to the Streamlabs in a way, or like where it'll like pop up subs and super chats and stuff like that. But thanks, bro. I like sharing when I can't. Hey, hashtag givers gain. And yeah, appreciate that, bro. Toaster mint for $1. Yeah, that's what he's going for. No, he's come up in here before and tossed like 350s around, you know, like balling, man. And he's about neck and neck with Piper with most super chat donations, whatever you want to call them. Thanks, bro. Yo, what's up, Barb? How you doing? Bearded Mac Mike. Wait, did people join from somewhere? Where'd you join from? Where are you coming from, my friends? Yo, what's up? Good evening. Not much, man. Or miss. Outta gang. How's it going, guys? How y'all doing? Thank y'all for being here. Mad love. Outta gang. Anywho, I mean, where are we going? Are we dumping right now? Looks like we're dumping. Oh man. All right, so what'd you ask about Solana? Could we peek at Sol Macro? What do you mean by peek at Sol Macro? What exactly do you mean by that, Toaster? From Wave Ciphers? Shout out to the other Wave Riders, the Wave Gang. Mad love and respect. Happy days. Yeah, I need to know what you mean by that, Toaster. Could we peek at... Oh, never mind. I see it's EE. I see now. I was thinking PEAK and not PEEK. Yes, I'll take a peek at Sol Macro. My bad. Wave crew. All right, we've got the daily dynamic reactor sitting at $85.99 on the bottom side, $88.37 on the top side. We do have a daily, I would be watching this for sure, a daily order block at $90.31. Definitely want to watch that. Pay attention to that one. Let's go ahead and put on anchored volume profile on here. We are at the value area high from this high to this to current price, really, from this high. Let's do this. Let's put on a fixed range. Yeah, we've got point of control here at about $85.06. Question is, how juicy are these highs? Doesn't look very juicy. What up, Wave Crew? Eat more shrooms, LBC. I don't like mushrooms. I've done things in my past. Long time ago, like 18 years ago. God, I'm getting old. Jesus. Look, as long as, you know, you're young at heart, that's all that really matters, right? Isn't that what they all say? So yeah, we got to get above this this current order block. See if we can get a push up to that $90 range. And we do have, hold on, I need to zoom out a little bit more. I'll get rid of this real quick. Let's pull this. This is a weekly chart. So the bottom side of the weekly dynamic reactor is at about 120. I don't know if it'll get there. But it kind of depends on if Bitcoin gets a push or not. If Bitcoin does get to push towards that 70K, then Solana, I think Solana could definitely, man, 120 is pretty hefty. I mean, you're talking close to a double up, but value area high 96. What about from this high? Do have a high volume node up here at 126. So yeah, okay. So yeah, we need to flip because this is what we're looking at here. Okay. So we need to flip this point of control at 84.93. This is a weekly chart. Could we have a down week next week? Maybe. Go to the daily. Yeah, see, all right. So we have the point of control and daily dynamic reactor sitting right there at that 84.90 to about, let's see, the top side of the dynamic reactor is 88.46. And that order block right there as well. So I think selling in this area, there we go. Probably not a bad place. No, it's quite a range. Not financial advice. Do your own research and all that jazz. Yeah, we got 786 right there too. $90. I mean, $90. It's a nice round number. So I think it could get there. Oh, that was perfect. Wow. Money, bye. Let's see. No bearish divergence, but we are getting overbought signals. True 7 is pushing towards clipping zone. We have money flow that's coming out on this whole move, pushing to the upside. Overbought signals coming in, so I would just, yeah, I'd look for short up in this zone. Now, if it can consolidate on top between these order blocks and on top of that POC and then get a push, maybe not for that long, but if it can do that, then it might be okay. Except it would be more like, but we would need to flip these levels if we're going to get a continuation. I would, for a healthier market, I would prefer kind of getting a break of this high and then getting a pullback to about 70, low 70s, and then get another push to break this high. And now we're talking about potentially putting in a reversal. I mean, that's a significant high to break at 98. So yeah, around that $100 level makes sense. So I'll be looking for that on Sol. Short term. How macro did you want that, Toaster? Was that good? Yeah, break through that 84, look for the $90 level. But if everything's gonna kind of get a push and kind of hit their resistance levels at the same time, then I would expect at least some kind of an extended correction. But we'll see. Maybe we start getting some crazy like short squeezes. Hey, Mike Volmer, what's going on, bro? Water's so good when you worked outside in 113 heat index. Oh, it's been over 110 heat index the past 3 days. I've been dying. I was exhausted last night, and I was watching USA, Bosnia, and I don't know. I just called it BIH because it was BIH. USA all up in that bit. You're good. Thanks, brother. Appreciate you, bro. $1,800 sold inbound is what I heard. That's crazy. What's crazy? The $1,800 sold? I think you're right. No, I'm kidding. Just what you heard. I mean, this very much looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-wave structure. So I definitely think, I mean, that's a hell of a wave 4. Maybe 1,000. Nah, the 105 heat is crazy. 110. The heat index was over 105 all week. For those that don't know, I work outside in the Delta South. A full 4.236 extension gets us to about 1,075. And honestly, as big as Solana is now, and seeing as how it's coming from $80, I think I would be okay with a help me with my math. I want to say that's like a 12x. Pretty close anyway. I think I'd be okay with the 12x. Maybe it'll get more, but I think I'd be okay with the 12x. What if crypto just goes absolutely berserk for the remainder of the year? Everything just pumps going into the midterms for some reason. And then everything dumps in December. And it's over. Crypto never comes back. Just kidding. I used to work as a land surveyor in the field. It was terrible during the summer months. So many ticks. Aren't you up north, though? How's everyone doing tonight? Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and share. Appreciate that, Duality. Already killing it. INJ. Sweet. Anybody got anything in particular they want me to look at? Let me know. Sweet, of course, like everything else, needs to get back above resistance and flip it into support. Now, I don't expect this at all from these tokens, but you never know. What we got? Market dynamics, Bitcoin. We're hitting something. What just happened? Why did I get that alert? Touching support? Where? I don't see it touching support. See, I set this alert up. I might have not done it right. Let me try to find it. Any alert function, right? 15-minute, yeah. Market dynamics. Let's go to the market dynamics. That's the cool thing about this indicator, man. You can there's so many things you can set an alert for. So touching bearish order block, touching bullish order block. It's literally the only signal or the only alert that I have set on here. So I'm on the 15-minute. How are we? Is it like the bottom side of the order block? Is that what that means? Maybe that's what that means. Kind of weird, honestly. It's not what I was looking for. I was looking for, well, technically it's doing it right. Because if it comes down and it hits that, it should give me an alert. Yeah, so I don't know, man. It's kind of weird. I think we see honestly, I don't know, but I think we get at least 2 dynamic reactor. Then we'll see if we can get that push to that 621. Dude, you'd be surprised how hot it gets in Northeast. It's not. Fulmer knows. The humidity is terrible. Why did I get rid of that? I don't know. I've never been there, so I don't know. But I feel like the southern humidity is worse. It makes sense to me, but maybe not. 60,500, 507. Well, I'd look for a bounce there. Immediate short term. And I'll be watching 61,243 for potential short or reclaim. Seen this type of pattern many times, so could definitely see that playing out. Yeah, and that gets us right into the AM right after, futures and all that stuff tomorrow. So, and then if it can claim that POC, which I don't know, it's going to be kind of tricky. It might get up in here and just bounce around between these 2 nodes throughout the weekend. We'll see. I think we sometimes get a pump on the 4th, but it's usually brief. We'll see.
feel afraid when the water rises around me. Wave rider, I'll let the current carry me now. No more fighting for the surface.
Sorry, I had to blow your ear holes out for a second. I gotta turn it down on my headphones now. Fortunately, with latitude, it should be much cooler, but it's not. I'm BS about it if you can't tell. Not a lot of bugs or ticks here in Colorado, Chaser. Really? Colorado's different, man. Colorado's got dry heat. I've experienced Colorado heat, and it's not sticky, but it is still hot in Colorado, and you feel it more because you're literally a mile above sea level. So you're literally closer to the sun. So yeah, I get that. Where are we at? 9:51. So total 3 money flows coming out. Oh, that's a 15-minute. Back it up. Zoom it up. Money's coming out in the 4. How are we looking on the daily? And see, this is, yeah, I think we could get a pretty nice push. I mean, potentially adding, what, 60 billion to the crypto market cap. But ultimately, I don't know, total 3 might hold. Altcoins might hold because, I mean, who's selling altcoins? Like, if you're buying altcoins right now, you're in it, dog. You're in it for the tech, I guess. I don't know. You're in it for the right things. My buddy's out there says it's a dream. Colorado. You can snowboard and go to the beach on the same day, Toaster. What beach? What do you mean you can go to the beach? Are you just saying it's not that far? What beach? Colorado is literally a square in the middle of the United States. Midwest. Market cap for, dominance. USDT dominance. We still haven't got... I don't think we've gotten the sweep on the macro. Nope. Still no sweep on the macro. Is that a 3 drives? I don't think quite. I think we still need one more drive in here for USDT dominance. This does suggest potentially another move down, which means more up for the assets, but then push up for another move down in our assets. Bitcoin dominance. And if altcoins catch a bid, you can see Bitcoin dominance fall to about 48, 10%. I mean, maybe. And you got those highs there. But I mean, this historically has been about the end of the Bitcoin run then it sells off as you see the rotation, then it gets a push up that lifts a bunch of the market, but mostly Bitcoin, and then the rollover, and that is called alt. That is alt season. Never got there this year or this cycle. Could we get a mini alt season? I mean, that's what this would suggest. Crypto DeFi market cap. Wow, look at this. Look at these wicks. That's crazy. But holding the lows. That just looks like it's just straight up accumulation over here in DeFi. That weekly still holding the line. Ah, look at that order blockers. Still suggesting push, roll back down, and then not as crazy, but love it. Yeah, I think we're bottom building, and we are very close to the bottom. As you know, if we go by the 4-year cycle, we are just a few months away from the bottom. About 90 days, not even 90 days. So hold on to your butts. It's getting real. Thank you guys for joining me this week and this evening. Maybe I'll do something tomorrow. Maybe I'll record some videos. We'll see. I do get a day off, but which means I'll have time maybe to throw some videos together. So we'll go over, I'll share that with you guys. DCA all the way. That is right, Toaster. We got a DCA starting nowish. So thank you all for joining me. Thank you, Toaster, for the 100 big ones. Mad love, bro. I do greatly appreciate that. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button on your way out, hitting that subscribe if you are new and you love the USA, and that notification bell to be notified whenever I create new content when I go live. Let's have a little bit of a dance party. Don't forget, we're going into the weekend, so if you see, well, you know what? It is the 4th here in the States. And so if you are celebrating the 4th, please be sure to hold on to all of your fingers. Be safe with the fireworks, guys. I mean it. You gotta be able to have fingers in order to press buy. Buy America. And next week we can go over some America coins made in the USA. Whatever that means. And we'll have some fun. But anyways, like or follow me on X at Lunar Beaches and hit all the links in the description. Thank you guys for joining me. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep and weekend. Mad love. God bless. Ride the waves. Bye.
from this. Heartbeat slowing in the static, helmet cracking in the dark. Every memory around me breaking slowly into sparks. I can see her reaching for me from somewhere I can't return. But the deeper that I'm falling, the more the cosmos start to blur. Moon god speaking through the silence, ancient voices in the deep saying, Lunar, stop resisting. The waves are what you're meant to be. No gravity, no shoreline, no signal, only the deep. I let go. Now the stars are underneath me, and the ocean lives inside my chest. Event horizon, every way becoming endless, every fear collapsing into light. I know the war was never mine to win.